This beautiful 1968 Ford Mustang Eleanor Tribute Edition is lot number 687. Under the hood sits a Roush Supercharged intercooled Ford Gen 3 5-liter fuel-injected aluminum block engine rated at 750 horsepower. It is coupled to a 6-speed manual transmission. The engine is cooled by an aluminum radiator and electric fans, and it all flows out through ceramic headers. All the factory suspension was replaced with modern technology, including a 5-link in the rear of it and adjustable coilovers on all 4 corners. The 9-inch rear end and electro-hydraulic steering also complement the suspension for an absolute new ride. The exterior features custom show-ready LEDs. The cabin also has exterior ground effects in the red. Between the rear taillights, it also has a custom Gone in 60 Seconds laser cut logo that lights up. It's finished in a pepper gray metallic 2-stage paint along with black body stripes. It's had a lot of color sanding and buffing done to it. Underside of the car, the engine compartment areas were also meticulously prepared and painted in the body color to allow for it to be wiped down with ease. This Eleanor rolls on custom Eleanor style wheels with performance tires. The all-new deluxe interior features custom Gone in 60 Seconds, embroidered seats, and a custom center console. Stainless steel billet trim is on the dash and the door panels. The rear area is equipped with a matching factory-style fold-down seat, and it also has a custom roll bar. The factory-style dash cluster is fitted with retro-style brand-new modern velocity gauges. Sound is provided by retro sound stereo with Bluetooth conductivity. It also is equipped with vintage-styled modern air conditioning. This all-new Eleanor Fastback was granted an official license and certification of authenticity by Eleanor Licensing LLC for Eleanor's characters, looks, and image as it appeared in the 2000 film Gone in 60 Seconds. Best part, this beautiful Eleanor is selling at no reserve at our 2024 Scottsdale Fall Auction, October 10th through the 13th. Register to bid and you can drive this beauty home.